Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Barkanmu da dawa Arewa Forex YT. Sunana AbdulFX aka the King of Northern Sniper Entry. So kamar yanda na alkawari a last video cewa I'm going to provide you guys with a video on how to take trade of 1 to 10 risk to reward zuwa sama. So inshallah wannan video din ina so in yi fulfilling wannan alkawarin nuna muku yadda za ku yi catching trade with at least 1 to 10 risk to reward, or maybe 1 to 5, 1 to 10 risk to reward, depending on yanda setup din yazo da kuma yanda opportunity din yazo. But I'm just going to make sure strategy da zan koya muku a yau za ku iya kama trade of nothing less than 1 to 5 risks to reward. So from 1 to 5 risks to reward to 1 to 10 risks to reward, this is going to be your target. Kuma you will be able to achieve on the target. And mind you, one strategy doesn't nuna muku is not the main strategy when they using the community members but kuma still going to help you to have a better trading, kuma to have a very, very nice trading opportunity. But I don't kuna so ku learning strategy irin wanda nake trading the need a community then under that kama guarantee 1 to 10, 1 to 20, 1 to 30, 1 to 50 risk to reward upward the sauransu haka nan. You can DM me on from my number on the comments on the kasan video then you can join the mentorship, and then kuma you'll be able to learn how to trade like that. So sannan kuma abu na karshe kafin mu shiga cikin video din, idan wannan shine farkon zuwan ka wannan YouTube channel din nan, please stay close kuma ka watching abin da zamu yi. I believe by the end of the video you'll be so much excited with abin da zan yi sharing. Kuma if you are so much excited, you need to subscribe to the YouTube channel, kuma ku liking video. Then if kuma you are already subscriber, please like the video, share it, and kuma drop your comment on any type of video that kuke so in yi muku in the future. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So one strategy ne azami mai lokin nashi is something which is very, very important. Lokuta da dama mutane idan suna trading za ga cewa they try to mix up things. Za ga mutum yana kokari ya complicating ma kanshi abu, most especially new traders, which is the beginner traders kenan. Za ka ga mutum yana kallon different videos on YouTube, maybe from what is it called, support and resistance, pardon me please, maybe from support and resistance, trend line breaks out, trend lines, kaza da sauransu, moving up, indicators, abubuwa da dama, like za ga mutum yana struggling ya hada abubuwa guda daya, while all it needs kawai is just for you to have a very, very simple and straightforward rules on your strategy wanda za ka yi trading. So wannan strategy da zan nuna muku is something wanda yake lokutan baya, like this is something which I've been trading before kafin ya zama cewa I come to modify things, kuma ya zama cewa things are getting more better. So in this we are going to look at the daily time frame. So we are going to use 3 to 4 time frames, and on wurin number it's not that complicated. So when the time frames in the ZAM we're using is just to make sure we have a little bit clarity of what we are going to do. And kuma strategy then is very, very simple and easy. So na farko we need to come to the daily time frame. So I'm going to start with somewhere let's take it a little bit back kamar mu ce daga nan wurin nan. So in kazo markets in on a daily time frame, muna so we're looking for price da yake pushing to the downside ko kuma price da yake pushing to the upside. This is what we are looking for on a daily time frame. So abinda muke so a nan wurin nan shine, let's take for example bari mu fara da nan wurin nan, which is looking a little bit not as clean as yanda muke son set up din, but amma saboda mu samu clear view of what we want to do, so shi yasa nake so mu fara daga wurin. So idan muka duba nan zamu ga candlesticks nan suna pushing to the downside, like this is a bearish candlestick. Idan muka duba zamu ga bearish candle din nan suna creating lower than each other, lower lows suke creating, lower highs suke creating. Mun gane ku, idan muka duba zamu ga daya yana kasan daya, daya yana kasan daya, daya yana kasan daya, daya yana kasan daya, haka nan that's how the movement is. So wayannan sune abubuwan da muke so mu gani if market is dropping to the downside. So when market is selling, muna so me looking for buying opportunity in our market, and when market is buying, muna so me looking for selling opportunity and marketing. Saboda mun san cewa abu biyu market yake is either market is buying ko kuma market is selling. So muna so me taking advantage of one of the things the market is doing so that zama cewa mai capitalizing akai. So how can we do that? Misali mu ce mun zo on this day, this is on Thursday, mun zo marketing sai muka ga Wednesday bearish, Thursday ending of Thursday shi ma sai zama bearish haka nan. So zamu connecting high points na wannan Thursday da kuma Wednesday da Thursday, so zamu connecting highs nasu anan haka, mun gane ko. So sannan kuma lows din shi ma nan zamu connecting haka. Though low din anan wurin nan, they are not that very important to us at the moment, but amma still zamu iya marking nasu haka. So abin da nake so mu fahimta nan, what candles do we have? When it move muke da shi is a bearish candle. So because it's a bearish candle, muna so on a lower time frame muga breakout of one trend line above then wanda zai zama cewa marketing zai printing mana bullish setup a wurin. So mai marking wannan high din the low din on a daily time frame. So zamu zo 4-hour time frame. So a 4-hour time frame yanzu abin da muke so muna so mu correcting trend lines din, so that we connecting nasu da kyau, because muka duba zamu ga wannan mai connecting lows on a daily time frame, amma 4-hour time frame yayi kamar yayi jumping nan kuma they are not aligning so perfect. So zamu zo sai mu adjusting nasu haka zamu adjusting nasu so that zama cewa we have a clean and perfect trend line connections haka. So idan muka duba nan, there is something da nake so mu fahimta nan. Idan muka duba pattern da yake a nan wurin nan, it's not a very nice pattern. So if you are looking for a pattern expecting to buy from the market, so muna so muga pattern of a candle pattern wanda zai mana printing something like this. And let me see if I can pick up 1 and 2 sorry. So idan muna so me selling, muna so me buy, muna so muga pattern da zai printing mana something like this. So this is going to be like a downtrend channel. Mun gane ko. So on the breakout shine zamu samu we looking for buying opportunity din nan. Haka idan muna so me selling, so muna so muga majority of the move. Muna so muga majority of the move is looking like this. So it's going to be like an ascending channel. So there's a mature price is pushing to the upside like this. So on the breakout, that's when we need to look for our confirmation. That's why I'm taking entry now. So idan muka duba na zamu ga pattern din nan wurin is not looking that clean. It's not looking that good. Based on the channel they're creating. Though quite other things what does that mean identifying, but I'm not going to go into when other things. And maybe it's going to be on another video, but this is having the pattern here printing out mana. But still, let's still work with that and let's see what opportunity we can get. So on the 4-hour time frame muka yi correcting nasa haka. So now zamu koma 1-hour time frame. Zamu koma 1-hour time frame. So a 1-hour time frame now, idan muka duba zamu ga this is what we have also. So entry now can go on the 1-hour time frame. Ko kuma we can go all the way to 15-minute time frame, depending on time the market is set up. Then, if it is during the day or during London session, ko kuma New York session. So, muna so muga price high breaking. Yes, I'm sure price now is above one trend line. Price now is above one trend line. So when price is above this trend line, this is the time we can look for our trading opportunity. So now we need to have an entry confirmation for our trades. So main entry confirmation, then we are just going to use a very simple candlestick pattern. I'm using very simple candlestick pattern to take our entry, and pattern the candlestick in the market so be using and is called the bullish engulfing and the bearish engulfing. The bullish engulfing is when a current candle is bigger than the previous candle. Maybe a previous candle is a bearish candle, then the current candle is a bullish candle, so it's called a bullish engulfing. Just like misali one candle then the market again, and then let me bring up this so one candle then the market again and wurin. So formation then bullish engulfing kenan. So wannan shine muke nema for a buying. So idan muka duba on the 1 hour time frame daga time da muka breaking nan price is really retesting sai ƙara breaking, so above the trend line kamar da nace muna so muga bullish engulfing. So nan sai muka ga bearish candle, sai muka ga bullish candle, so nan sai printing first bullish engulfing. So zami taking trade now, stop loss now is going to be a little bit below the bullish engulfing. Mun gane go for high risk to reward. So idan muka duba nan market in your Dow is stopping now out when there is a retesting trend line then, and we are still above the trend line. Mun gane ko, so sai ƙara printing out wani bullish engulfing anan, so zamu ƙara taking one trade anan. Stop loss now is going to be below the engulfing candle haka, so zamu taking trade now all the way to the upside. So kamar da na gaya mana strategy then is going to be from 1 to 5 weeks to reward to 1 to 10 upward, depending on how much opportunity is printing on the market. So idan muka duba nan zamu ga wannan market ne yayi moving kusan almost about 1 to 5.6 weeks to reward kafin da yazo rejecting a closing anan for about 1 to 4.8, let's say 1 to 5 weeks to reward dan anan wurin nan. So muka yi losing trade anan, muka yi taking trade anan, muka yi losing, so wannan trade nan yayi recovering wannan losses nan with extra 4% in profit, depending on how we are risking. If we are risking 1%, so zamu ga cewa we recover with about 4%. And kuma we are risking maybe achieve is a profit commanded about the example of previous video. We are risking 0.2%, so maybe losing 0.2%, we making 0.8%, so maybe recovering 0.2% with extra profit of 0.6%. So idan muka samu trade haka is a much ending, we need to keep on looking at our daily time frame so that muga me daily time frame din yake printing. Mun gane ko, so daily time frame din mu shine zai bamu idea na ina ne next da zamu drawing, ina ne zamu looking for trading opportunity da sauransu. So idan muka duba zamu ga daga time da muka drawing trend line din nan for kusan 2 days in the market has been bullish, but 2 bullish candle anan. So now price is telling us that okay, market in is buying, maybe we need to start looking for some selling opportunity. But amma muna neman da zamu connecting 2 lows from 2 highs, the 2 highs. Idan muka duba wannan low din nan da wannan low din nan, idan muka connecting nasu haka, it's not going to be as smooth as we want it to be. Mun gane ko, it's not going to be as smooth as we want it to be. So in that case zamu iya bari mu gani har sai mun sama ways da zamu iya connecting 2 lows now. So muna da bullish candle on this day, bullish candle on Monday, on Tuesday sai zama bearish candle, amma bai gama bai breaking wannan low din nan ba, bai breaking wannan ba. So at the closure of this candle, so zamu iya connecting nan da wannan haka. Mun gane ko, so we can connect these two because this is now an ascending move. Just like I made about the example dazu, we need to see an ascending move like this. So this is now an ascending move. So if we have ascending move like this, when I expecting markets now may selling. So if you don't know about ascending and descending channel, I think I've got a video on the NAYI YouTube channel. You can go and check it out about ascending the KUMA descending channel. So ZAKU for interrupt and then you. So now Zami connecting way in 2 highs in 2 lows in lower highs. So send now 1 highs in suma Zami you're connecting now so haka. So if this is not clear here, Zami Bari the KUMA 4-hour time frame, we're going to have another clear picture. So let's go to the 4-hour time frame and let's see what we have. So coming to the 4-hour time frame, this is the high point that we DASHI in the market connecting. So it's going to be something like this, and this is the low point that we DASHI. So it's going to be like this. So comment in the chat if it is not clear. So here with the 4-hour time frame now. So idan muka adjusting na shaka zamu ga cewa wannan candle din da ya zama cewa is ending of the day, which is wannan candle din na zamu ga, I mean sorry, this candle, I guess. So zamu ga cewa we already broke the channel anan wurin nan. Mun gane ko? So idan muka dawo 1-hour time frame, so zamu gani we have something like this, and we can also readjust it back on the 1-hour time frame. So it's going to look something like this. So idan muka duba nan zamu ga cewa we have one descending channel. And so now what are we looking for? We are looking for a breakout. After the breakout below the trend line, muna so muga bearish engulfing yai occurring, yai happening. So this is where the breakout happens. Price here making bullish move, then we have a bearish move. What do we have? A bearish engulfing. so mun samu bearish engulfing anan. So after the closure of this bearish engulfing, zamu take in trade namu daga nan. Namu sa stop loss namu above the bearish engulfing 5.9 pips, and then we can hold on to our trade. So idan muka duba na market side pushing ya dawo, you know, market is just making like a consolidation move kafin daga nan pricing ya fara dropping, wanda ya kawo har zuwa nan wurin nan ya stopping for kusan about 1 to 11 risk to reward. For about 1 to 11 risk to reward. So this is how easy this strategy is. It's just all about understanding of, you know, market move, swings in the so on. So let's go back to the daily time frame one more time, and let's do one more example so that you guys, you'll be clear of what I'm explaining. So after one and did, and let's clean everything. After now we have a bearish candle, we have another bearish candle, you know, like we have 2 consecutive bearish days. So Zami, you're connecting 2 swing highs in the Namahaka. So we can connect it like this. Then for the swing lows, Makaduba bind the Zami connecting swing low, so Zami you're barin shaka. Kamenda Nagamana, we all need the high if we are bearish, and we only need the low if we are bullish. So now we have these 2 highs connected. It doesn't matter to us, I touching, we can use the, you know, side of the body hacker. So we have these 2 highs. So the next day when I expect him to break out, say the next day it makes a fake out, say rejecting. So if we like, and we're gonna Zami is me adjusting Nash hacker. Zami adjusting Nash, something like this. So it's still okay. But let's go back and let's make it how it is before. So we have this bearish data on and bearish data. So if we go back to the, so in this case for the low and we can leave it like that blank, or we can bring these 2 to connect it like this, just to make sure we have a pattern. So Zami is our 4-hour time frame. So from our 4-hour time frame, and now Zamu fara adjusting, you know, correcting trend line. So Makaduba Zamu see intersecting the Juna with the candle. So we're going to adjust it like this, and then we're going to bring it this way. One Zami Garashmi adjusting Nashaka. This one we're also going to adjust it like this. So Makaduba on the 4-hour time frame, Zami here making Zami connecting none domain as a mature. We have like this descending channel. Magana, so we can put it something like this. So there is a descending channel, so we can delete this. So this can be a descending channel like this. So me correcting one on the 4-hour time frame. So now we are going to the 1-hour time frame. So now we are going to the 1-hour time frame. So we need to readjust the trend lines like this, and also one Shima Haka. So now command in the chair, we want to see a breakout. So after a breakout, then muna so maga engulfing candle. So now maga breakout. So muna neman bullish engulfing, price be creating bullish engulfing bar. I say the price as we're retesting, and so if you have a knowledge about break and retest, so this is going to be a very nice opportunity. ZAKU taking one and trade, and in KUMA Hakaba you can follow the rules I gave. Domain as a mature, you have the nice trading opportunity. So makaga price retesting, bullish candle, bearish candle, bullish candle. So one is a bullish engulfing, and so we can easily take our entry again. Stop loss now is going to be below our engulfing, so we can put our entry a little bit below. Now we're in a you can put it, this is like 6 pips, and then a targeting in the market. So the Makaduba Zamaga, when the move then is a straight 1 to 10 bricks to the word trade. This is a straight 1 to 10 bricks to the word trade. In KUMA maybe we hold the pullbacks and the jump and everything. Harzuanam Kusan about 1 to 15 bricks to the word, but our targeting is 1 to 10 bricks to the word. So this is how we'll be able to, you know, take entry on WANNAN trade. So let's take one last example, then from there Zami around the video, then and then you'll be able to go and do your back testings and other things. So after one last trade, the example for the past few days, markets and have been pushing to the upside, bullish move. So Zamaga, we have this 2 swing lows, one as I'm connecting, expecting breakout, price be breaking out, then we can adjust it back to 1 and so we're now expecting a breakout, price be breakout, but price it as a mature, you know, yanata playing in between them. So Zami Chalk, let's connect this with this. That's why in 2 lows, and then the one that can do the one, because we still have lower highs ana. So zamu connecting nasu, then from the upside ana zamu connecting wannan shi ma haka. So zan ka duba zamu ga we have something like a descending channel. So now we need to go to the 4-hour time frame, and then we need to make adjustments. So on the 4-hour time frame, this is how Mercedes is looking for. So zamu readjusting like this. When zamu cash maybe something like this with this haka. So zamu putting nashi anan wurin nan haka. So now we can go to the 1-hour time frame. So on the 1-hour time frame, I'm looking for a pattern below the trend line. So if we adjust this, okay. So now we are looking for a breakout. So now we get a breakout. So we are looking for bearish engulfing, bearish engulfing, and direct testing, and so they can then testing say about bearish engulfing. But there is one thing if you look at on the bearish engulfing, then it's very big. Stop loss now is going to be like 27 pips, so we don't want this. So in this case, we still need to wait for another clean confirmation happening, then we can take our trade from there. So now about the bearish engulfing, we didn't take the trade. Price FR pushing, FR reversing, price FR pushing. So say na makakara again one bearish engulfing and like this, so we can easily take this trade and we can put our stop loss a little bit above now. So one is going to stop us out and which is just like one trade, then we saw another bearish engulfing and then we can take another trade and so if I are pushing on profit, and this is stopping them out, and then from there shine marketing is mature, dropping. So if you put your stop loss a little bit higher and you might be on the trade, but stop loss naka is going to be very big. So kuma zai yi aka samu wannan high risk to reward and then da kake magana. So in ya zama cewa wannan ya stopping them out, we need to accept the fact that okay, we are wrong. Ko kuma stop loss namu them based on how we want to put it, yeah, stopping them out when we can accept when the losses and I believe in the next trade some will be able to recover when the trade, and then just like YANDA making bearish candle and another bearish candle, and we connect this two bearish candles haka. So idan muka koma 4-hour time frame, let's look what happened here. So idan muka da 4-hour time frame, zamu ga cewa we'll be having something like this. And something like this, and we can adjust it. So this is like a descending move, so we can come to 1-hour time frame and we can look for breakout, and then we can look for engulfing pattern. When this is mature, we can look for our entry. So idan muka duba nan zamu ga we have the breakout, but babu ko ne engulfing, so market didn't just move straight away. So commended as in the further for video, then you can use 4 time frames. Maybe if you come to the 15-minute time frame, so depending on how low you want to go, if you can go all the way to a 15-minute time frame, you can do it in Kuma Bazake as well, but then you can stick to just what is it called, the 1-hour time frame. So let's assume a check has all the way to 15-minute time frame. We saw the breakout, price pulling back, price kind of breaking out. Now we are looking for bullish engulfing. So Bible bullish engulfing, say it again now, we're in now. So we saw when the first bullish engulfing they printing and so we saw stop loss now for like 5.3 pips. So from there we can hold our trade, and this is going to be on our favor, focusing about 1 to 12 risk to reward, and yes we check about a pushing harzu and WURIN when they about about 1 to 18 risk to reward. So this is how you are going to use WANNA strategy. And most important thing in trading is understanding risk management and capitalizing on trade with a high risk to reward trade. Imagine this is a pro firm challenge which you are doing, it's going to be very, very easy for you to pass a pro firm challenge using WANNA strategy. And another one thing that you saw in Karabama and is this: if you want me to backtest WANNA strategy and using a nice trading journal, again, if it is possible to pass a pro firm challenge with WANNA strategy, then kurubuta on the comment section, which just write pro firm on the comment section of one video. Then inshallah, if I have like 10 people on the scale dropping one pro firm, then on the comment section I'm going to do a back testing, using the rules and everything of one strategy, then just to see if we will be able to pass a pro firm challenge, if this strategy is profitable or not. So when the shine happen, the case you covered in a video, then I hope I'm gonna explain a video. Then is very, very simple, is very clean. So ni Abdul FX ni keche mokuwa mu huta lafiya.